Hello, my name is Gloria Ondeiki. I am from Nairobi, Kenya. I joined Tecvinson Academy in April 2024, and I took the backend development route where I specialized on Python as my programming language. I really enjoyed myself, and I'm looking forward to the third phase of this training, which will be the specialization path, where I will be doing software development. I aspire to get into machine learning and AI. That's specifically why I chose Python, and that is exactly why I'm choosing to take the route of software development. So I'm looking forward to learning more in the final phase of the program, and I'm very, very grateful to Tecvinson for giving me this opportunity to be a part of their cohort this year. This program has greatly improved my backend development skills, and it has given me a wider view of the tech world and the endless possibilities that it has to offer to me as a backend developer, especially in machine learning and AI. I am very grateful for this chance. Thank you so much.